Let me welcome you, everybody, to this wonderful morning and very happy new and prosperous year to all of you. This is Suresh Babu from Government First Grade College, Gauri Bidnu. Here I am with one more presentation of today's class, which you are aware we are dealing with branch accounting, several sums which have been discussed in the class and online virtual as well. Each and every sum, it is your duty to revise, review, right? Learn it. Very, very significant. That is a takeaway that you are supposed to have, right? Find the cursor movement and listen, same thing, and over and over. Yes. So illustration number 8 is homework. Do it in your notebooks. Very simple. I would explain here. So opening stock 40,000, opening stock, opening debtors, opening petty cash, opening furniture, prepaid insurance opening, outstanding. Okay, that is salaries. These five stock, debtors, petty cash, furniture, prepaid insurance to be debited to branch account. Okay. Then this opening debtors also debited to debtors account, right? All right. Then salaries to be credited in branch account. Okay. Goods sent debited, cash sales credited, credit sales it is to be debited where in debtors account debit side. Okay. Cash received from debtors it is to be credited in debtors account and credited in branch account. Cash paid by branch debtors direct to head office, even this is to be credited to debtors account and this is to be included cash received from debtors on the credit side of the branch account. Discount allowed, it is the item of the debtors account total, debtors or memorandum debtors. Cash sent for expenses, rent, salaries, petty cash, it is to be debited in branch account. Insurance paid up to 30th June 2021. This adjustment we have done previously. Same. This is the 4,000 rupees divided by 12 into 3. If you make it 3 months insurance, that much amount is to be, that is 1,000 rupees is supposed to be credited to branch account before closing it. Goods returned by the branch. So branch is returning in the head office, that is the branch account on the credit side, you write it. Goods returned by debtor. This is a sold sales returns to be recorded on the credit side of the branch. That is uh, memorandum debtors account and closing stock 36,000. Closing petty expenses paid by the branch. See, paid by the branch, the he has stated. Now, what is to be done? See, opening petty cash 2,000, right? Plus petty cash that is coming in this year 1, 2, 3. So 15, that is 4,000. Correct petty cash. I'm sorry. Insurance was 2,600. Correct. So that 2,600 divided by 12 into 3. That is the thing. Okay. This 4,000 plus 1,000, right? So 2,000, 6,000 minus 3,850. You get 2,150. That is a closing. See, closing petty cash. Right. So provide depreciation on furniture. What is missing? Closing balance of debtors. Ascertain 31,500. And here you get the, see, prepaid insurance 2,600, 3 by 12, that is 650. Now you get 93,500 rupees is the profit. So I have run through. Why? Because you have to practice it. Remaining all other things are self-explanatory. Now see, it is very, very important. Focus here. Illustration number 9, because in the previous particular year in the financial accounting, this type of sum was asked, right? So you should be very carefully listening. What is the difference? Difference is very simple. So for 2 years, the balance, the things have been given to you in for 2 years, 2 financial years. Goods sent to branch 3,000, 4,200. Cash sales 1,200, 1,920. Credit sales 2,160, 3,000. What does it mean? Credit sales is given means either we need to prepare the total debtors account or memorandum debtors. That is a hint. Discount allowed. Okay, so it is to be credited to debtors account. Bad debts. Yes, bad debts again in the debtors account. Cash sent to branch for expenses 420 and 600. It is to be debited. Stock has been given 480 and 840 for 1 year and the second year. Petty cash. So that is on 31st March. Yes, said that is a closing petty cash, right? So opening they have not given to you. So what is to be done? Very simple, right? So there is balancing figure. What is balancing figure here? Okay. So closing debtors is the balancing figure for both the years 2020, 2021. First we'll consider 2020, all the transactions, right? What is goods sent to branch, right? So see there are two options for us. First preparing memorandum debtors account for 2020. Okay. Then preparing the branch account for 2020. Then preparing memorandum debtors account for 21 and preparing branch account for 21. First we shall do one thing. Okay. Simultaneously we'll go. Okay. So it is very important. For 2020, only items that is to be recorded in memorandum debtors account only to be taken into account. So first see, is there opening balance of debtors? No. That means opening balance is nil. In the debtors account 2020, to balance brought down nil, by balance carried down is what balancing figure. You noted. So this we would be writing 180 towards the end by before closing. Now there is credit sales right here. See there is credit sales. How much is the credit sale? 2,160. Yes, debit here in the debtors account. Then how much cash is received from debtors? Okay, so cash is received 1,920 in 2020. So by bank account or cash account 1,920. There are bad debts, right? Discount 30. So discount bad debts, discount bad debts 30, 30. So now you balance it. All the items are over. Now you get 180. That is a 2,160, 2,160. This is the balancing figure, which is missing information, which we found, right? By using these items only 2020, we shall prepare the branch account for the year 31st March 2020 in the books of head office, Bengaluru branch account. Number one, what is this? So here if you observe, there is no opening stock, correct? There are no opening debtors, correct? So what can we do? If you don't want to write, you can do so. Don't write anything. Otherwise, if you want, according to the format, you could write this, no problem. See, to branch stock nil, to branch debtors nil, opening is nil. Okay. Then goods sent to branch, correct? Okay. So how much is goods sent to branch in the 2020? 3,000. See, yeah, debited 3,000. Expenses sent, how much in 2020? 420. Then there is bank account and sales, right? Bank account, that means cash sent from branch to head office. One is cash sales 1,200, receipts from, that is cash received from debtors is 1,920, total is 3,120. So closing stock, they have said it, right? So closing stock, that is 480, closing petty cash, 10 rupees in 2026. See? Now all the items are over. Before closing, ensure you are writing 180 rupees. This, what is that? Branch debtors. Okay. So now you balance it. If you balance, credit side exceeds 3,790, 3,790, and balancing figure is 370, which is branch profit. So which year it is profit? 2020. Okay, note this. It is very important. Now 2021 we will go. In 2021, what happens? See, branch stock 480. In 2020, it was ending, correct? Closing. Petty cash 10, 180 rupees, what? Branch debtors. This closing, of the previous year 2020 becomes opening. See here, in the branch account 480, branch stock, branch debtors 180, and branch petty cash 10. Repeat, revise, and see it. First, you record this in the branch account. Okay. Here it is closing in the 2020. It becomes opening for the 2021. They need not say anything. Okay. In 2021, first we shall prepare branch data, that is the memorandum debtors. So two balance brought down 180. Why? This is opening, correct now? 180 I have written. Then credit sales is given 2021, how much? 3000. By cash account, cash received from debtors in 2021 is 2400. Discount 90, bad debt 60, right? Balance it, you get the closing balance 630 of branch debtors. For which year? 2021. See, in 2021, these figures to be seen while recording. Okay, now goods sent to branch is how much? 4200. See, in 2021, opening stock, opening debtors, opening petty cash has been written from the previous year. Now goods sent 4200. So expenses 600. See here, expenses how much they are sending? 600 rupees cash sent to branch for expenses. Then there is, okay, cash sales in 2021, 1920, and this cash received from customers 3000. So both has been credited here. See, 1920, 2400, total 4320. So before balancing, what is very important? Closing stock 840. See here, information. Closing stock is 840. Closing petty cash 12 rupees. Closing debtors, which we have ascertained 630. See, 840, 12, 630. Correct. Please check. Listen once again. Revise again and again. Right. So now you get 5802 total on the credit side. 5802 total on the debit side. Profit is 332. So what are the steps? Okay, what should I'll do here? See, the steps are, okay, I will type here and show you. First, you need to prepare memorandum debtors account for 2020 along with, okay, branch accounts for 2020. Correct now? This is the first step. You finish this. Now, second step. Second step is what? Preparation of memorandum debtors account, right? And one minute. So second step is preparation of memorandum debtors account for 2021 and preparation of branch account for 2021. See, this is how you need to ascertain and prepare. Learn slowly, repeat it, and the homework. What is the homework, right? This ninth illustration, right? Sum, double all the amounts and solve in the notebook. Okay? Don't say, I'm not aware. You cannot say. So quickly rush with the feedback to my mail ID, that is surs6980@gmail.com. Right? Comment on the YouTube as well. So before concluding, wish you happy and prosperous, prosperous sorry, New Year. To all my dear students. Thank you for watching this video lecture. Have the please get at least each student 10 new students as subscribers to SSD Benchmark channel. Thank you all. This is Suresh Gaurav from Government of State College, Gaurav.